Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00925 error in Oracle database 12c. So let me open the SQL plus editor, log in as a common user called c#scott, which I have already created. So now let me type one query. So I am going to insert some values. So insert employees values. So I am inserting name. Okay. So it's throwing error ORA-00925 missing into keyword, which means that this insert statement requires the keyword called into. So this is the correct SQL statement: insert into employees values. So now I am providing the value. That's it. So provide the missing keyword called into wherever it is required. That is the fix for this ORA-00925 missing into keyword issue. Okay.